A rooftop camper, also known as a rooftop tent, RTT, is an awesome camping upgrade that turns your car, SUV, or truck into a cozy sleeping space in just minutes. It mounts on top of your vehicle and unfolds into a comfortable tent, giving you an elevated place to sleep that's off the ground and safe from bugs, dirt, and animals. Silencer Co. Maxim 9. The Silencer Co. Maxim 9 is a game-changing pistol that brings together a compact design and built-in silencer. Typically, law enforcement and special forces have to choose between guns that are either loud and compact or quiet but bulky. But in 2017, a US company introduced the Maxim 9, the world's first pistol that combines the benefits of both. It's just 10.75 inches long, making it easy to handle. Yet it features an integrated silencer that doesn't add extra size or weight. This pistol shoots 9x19 cartridges and works with Glock 17 and Glock 30 magazines, offering versatility and reliability. The silencer is built right into the housing, so you get a quieter shot without the added bulk of a separate suppressor. At around $1,500, the Maxim 9 offers an innovative solution for those who need a powerful and discreet weapon. As we get older and stay active, leg pain and fatigue can become more frequent. The spring system is here to help. This compact device uses Matic compression technology to improve blood circulation and speed up muscle recovery. It's perfect for anyone dealing with leg discomfort, whether you're at the office or at home. With just 15 minutes a day, Spring can make a noticeable difference. It helps reduce pain and tiredness so you can feel better faster. The device has a 2.5-hour battery life, meaning you can use it throughout the day, and it's machine washable, making it easy to keep clean. You can even share it with others at work for quick relief. At only $189, the Spring system is an affordable solution to help improve circulation and muscle recovery, making it a great choice for active individuals. With energy prices rising in Northern Europe, especially with everyday appliances like dishwashers costing up to 2.6 per cycle, it's time to consider alternatives. Sunroof offers a smart solution with rooftop solar panels. These panels can generate 9 to 200 kilowatt hours of energy per year from just 49 square meters of roof space. By switching to solar energy, you can reduce your reliance on traditional electricity, saving money while helping the environment. Sunroof solar panels are a great way to lower your energy bills and contribute to a more sustainable future. Whether you're looking to cut costs or reduce your carbon footprint, Sunroof makes it easy to embrace renewable energy. By installing their panels on your roof, you can take control of your energy use and enjoy long-term savings. Surviveware Outdoor Duct Tape. Whether you're heading into the wild, hiking mountains, or going on any outdoor adventure, Surviveware's outdoor duct tape might just be your most essential tool. It's not just regular tape, it's a survival multi-tool. From patching up your tent and repairing your gear to securing a bandage or preventing foot blisters, it does it all. This 5 centimeter wide tape is waterproof and strong enough to help you build a temporary shelter, yet it can be easily torn by hand. No scissors or knives needed. You can even create makeshift rope or a water container in emergency situations. It's tough, reliable, and built for the outdoors. Thanks to its compact and lightweight design, it fits perfectly in your backpack without adding bulk. For just $11 per roll, it's a must-have for any adventurer or survival enthusiast. Next time you gear up for the great outdoors, make sure this duct tape is in your kit. It may look simple, but it's ready for anything nature throws your way. The Swiss Room Box is a clever camping system that turns your everyday car into a mini camper in minutes. It's a modular setup that fits into most hatchback vehicles and is perfect for road trips, weekend getaways, or spontaneous adventures. The basic version comes with a foldable table for 2 to 4 people and can quickly transform into a single or double bed. It also provides smart storage space to keep your gear organized. If you go for the upgraded version, you'll get awesome extras like a 2-burner gas stove, a shower, a water heater, and more, making it feel like a tiny home on wheels. The system is designed to be easy to set up, take down, and store when not in use. There's even an online tool to check if the Swiss Room Box fits your car. Made in Switzerland, it's built with quality and comfort in mind. Prices range from around $4,000 to $6,300 depending on the model. SwitchBot Curtain 3. Make your curtains smart in seconds. Tired of opening and closing curtains by hand? The SwitchBot Curtain 3 is here to make life easier. This handy device attaches to your existing curtain rod in just 30 seconds. No tools or complicated setup needed. Once installed, you can control your curtains right from your smartphone. Open or close them with a tap, or set up a custom schedule so they move automatically, even when you're not home. It's smart, energy efficient, and super useful. The device can handle curtains weighing up to 16 kilograms and helps you save on heating and cooling by managing sunlight more effectively. It also adds a layer of security. By opening and closing your curtains while you're away, it gives the impression someone's home, which can help keep burglars away. With support for voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri, when paired with a hub, it easily fits into any smart home setup. Whether you want a touch of luxury, more convenience, or just a smarter way to block the sun, the SwitchBot Curtain 3 is a great pick, and at just $90, it's surprisingly affordable too. Tornado Intercept Vehicle, TIV, the beast that chases storms. The Tornado Intercept Vehicle 2, or TIV2, isn't your average truck. It's a monster built to drive straight into the heart of a tornado. Designed for extreme weather chasers and scientific research teams, this armored powerhouse can handle some of the most dangerous storms on Earth. Weighing around 8 tons and built on a modified Dodge Ram chassis, TIV2 is protected with bullet-resistant steel armor and bulletproof glass. Its purpose? To get as close as possible to tornadoes without being blown away. It's equipped with hydraulic skirts that anchor the vehicle to the ground, helping it resist powerful winds that would flip most cars like paper. Inside, it's a high-tech command center with weather monitoring gear and camera systems ready to capture jaw-dropping footage and valuable scientific data. Way safe. Tow smarter, tow safer. If you regularly tow trailers, the WaySafe hitch could be your new best friend. It's the only hitch that comes with a built-in scale, helping you instantly see if your load is balanced correctly, something that can save you from serious trouble on the road. Imagine cruising down the highway with a trailer carrying a heavy boat. Suddenly, the trailer starts swaying. It's a risky situation that can lead to loss of control. With WaySafe, you avoid that stress. For just $140, you get an extra layer of safety every time you tow. Here's how it works. When your trailer sits on the hitch, the pressure on the ball activates a hydraulic piston, which pushes against oil inside. This action shows the tongue weight on a scale, so you know immediately if you're good to go or need to adjust the load. Wilton ATV All-Terrain Vise, your mobile workshop solution. Need a solid vise while working outdoors? The Wilton ATV All-Terrain Vise is the perfect tool for those who want to take their workshop wherever they go. This innovative vise easily attaches to your trailer hitch so you can work on your projects wherever you are. The standard model comes with 13 centimeters wide jaws, which can open up to 15 centimeters torse, giving you the flexibility to handle various tasks. Its handle features a special 360-degree locking system, ensuring it stays securely in place while you're driving, so you don't have to worry about any wobbling or shifting. Not only is this vise perfect for general work, but it can also double as an anvil, making it even more versatile. Whether you're repairing tools, working on your ATV, or fixing other equipment, this vise has you covered, even in remote locations. At $212, the Wilton ATV All-Terrain Vise is a great investment for anyone who needs a reliable, portable vise that can handle tough jobs in the field. Perfect for people who love working outdoors or need a vise on their travels. U-Home offers a clever and efficient way to dry your laundry with their innovative dryer system. The basic model is designed to handle up to 35 kilograms of laundry and comes with a built-in 24-watt light, making it easy to use even in dark spaces. It's operated with a remote, and at just $500, it's a great option for anyone looking for a reliable and simple way to dry clothes. If you're looking for more features, the NEIC model offers even more power and functionality. This version can handle up to 40 kilograms of laundry and includes a 2-speed blowing system for faster drying. It also uses ultrasound technology to repel dust mites and features an ionizer to keep your clothes fresh and clean. At $1,239, the NEIC model is a great choice for those who want extra convenience and top-notch features. With these smart and practical dryers, U-Home makes drying your laundry easier and more efficient, helping you save time and effort while keeping your clothes in great condition. Whether you choose the basic or advanced version, U-Home provides a convenient solution for all your laundry needs. The UATOM Origin 800 is a cool and powerful gadget that keeps your devices charged wherever you go. Whether you're camping, traveling, or just want backup power at home, this compact system has you covered. It looks like a modern thermos, but it's actually made of stackable power pucks. Each puck is a 27,000 milliamp hour battery, and you can stack more depending on how much power you need. They all connect to a smart base that comes with USB-A, USB-C, and even 220-volt sockets, perfect for charging phones, laptops, or even small appliances. One of the best things about the Origin 800 is how safe it is. It protects against overheating, short circuits, overcharging, and low voltage, so you don't have to worry while using it. It's great for more than just outdoor trips. Use it during a power outage, while working off-grid, or even on road trips. You can get a full set with the base and 2 pucks for around $389. Lightweight, easy to carry, and super practical, the UATOM Origin 800 is a smart way to stay powered up wherever life takes you. Just grab it, stack it, and charge anything, anytime.